Hello everyone, welcome to GV Ready Automation World. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to the channel, enable notification for more interesting videos. We are continuing on Postman series. Today we will see data driven testing. Right, how to achieve data driven testing. What is data driven testing? Right, everyone knows what is data driven testing. Right, if you want to execute the same test case with sets of data. Right, suppose if you want to log in, right, with multiple users, right, or you want to create, right, multiple users, right, that is data driven testing. Right, if you want to achieve data driven testing, right, in the Postman, it will support either CSV, right, we can use either CSV file or JSON file. Right, we will see that. Right, previously we have created right, post create user. We will take this. Right, here also, right, suppose you click on collection, run collection. Right, which one we want to select? Suppose I want to, right, I want to run only these two. Suppose create and get user. I want to run iterations. How many? Suppose if you want to achieve, see here also we can achieve data driven. 5 times I want to execute the same test case. Right, run. Right, see test case is executing 5 times. Right, 5 iterations. Right, see create user, get user, then create user, get user, create, get. Right, this is one way. Right, we can click on the run collection and then we can give the number of iterations. Right, it will execute. Suppose this is one way. Right, one more. By using JSON file, CSV file, how to execute. Right, let me clone this. Right, I will duplicate this, duplicate entire. Right, we can click on it, 3 dots and then click duplicate. It will entire collection will be duplicate. Right. Now come to body. Right, previously we have done dynamic email. Right, in the prerequisites we have done, right, we have dynamically creating email. Right, that we will keep as it is. Right, because by every request we require a dynamic email. Right, if you haven't watched, please go and watch previous video how to generate a dynamic email. Right, that is one thing we will keep as it is. Now we will get this name, gender, right, status from the CSV file. Okay, how to get it? Right, colon, same thing. How to refer variables, colon, the curly brackets. Right, 2 times curly brackets we have to give. Now just we will give, right, here we will give the name. Right, here we will give gender. Right, for here inactive, right, status. Okay, first we will give like this. Right, then we have to prepare the CSV file. Right, CSV file. Right, CSV file I have already prepared. Right, just how to prepare, same key, what keys we have given, name, gender, status. Right, same name we have given, comma separated. CSV means comma separated file. Right, name, gender, name comma, gender comma, status. First is header. Right, same name whatever we have given in the Postman, same names we have to refer here. Same names we have to give. Right, then we can give the what is the name, right, gender, multiple records, comma separated multiple records, and save as .csv file. How to save? You can click on save as. In the double quotes, give the users.csv, users.csv file. Right, we have to keep it in a double quotes. Right, otherwise it will save as a normal text file. If you want to save as a CSV, double click in the save. Right, save it. Right, we have saved CSV file. Okay, now how it will save? Suppose if you see, it will save like this, users, right? It will save as a Microsoft Excel comma separated values, right? Don't double click on it, just right click and open with edit plus. Then it will, if you double click it, it will open in the Excel, right? We have done, right? Then okay, name, email, gender. Now we have some validations here. I think in the post script we have some validations, right? Now we have to remove this hard coded one, right? Actually we are getting from the JSON, but expected we have to get from, right? We have to get expected value from the, right, Excel file. How to get it? One way is we can get data colon, right? What is the name? We have given name, right, in the Excel file. See, but it is deprecated. It is deprecated. It is suggesting use pm dot iteration data, right? It is asking to use pm dot iteration data. It is old. If we have a old Postman, right, it will work. Now also it will work, but it is deprecated. We will see latest one, pm dot iteration dot get of what? We have to get the name, right? We have given whatever name we have given, same name we have to refer, right? Name, gender, status, right? Name, and then we can give the name and then gender. Right. Suppose if you want to validate email, right? Suppose if you want to validate email is not from the data Excel, not from the CSV file, it is from the response, right? Right, but we have created, we have stored it, right? Here what we required, JSON data dot, what it will come, email, right? JSON dot data dot email, but from expected, from where we need to get, actually we are getting from JSON, but expected we have to get from, right? We have stored in the, right? We are creating in the global variable, right? I think in a prerequisite script, if you go to prerequisites, right, we are getting user email as a collection variable, right? We have to get from collection variable, right? Come to post response, then pm dot collection variable dot get of user email, right? Inside double quotes, just is the inside double quotes user email, right? We will get like this, right? Now this will work as it is remaining. I think remaining we will user ID, right? We are storing user ID, right? Extracting from the post request, and then we are storing user ID. Yeah, that's fine, right? Now how to run? Go to, right, then run collection. We can select which one. Suppose I want to run only post and get, I don't want put delete that, you can remove, right? I will keep it all as it is. We can run here multiple ways. We can run locally or schedule, right? We can also schedule it. Where it will run? If we schedule, it will run in the Postman cloud. It will save to Postman cloud. It will run whatever the schedule we have given. Or we can run from CLI, command line interface, or configuring with CI/CD pipeline also we can configure, right? Whatever we want we can. Currently we will run from local, right? Then here we need to select the file, whatever file we have created, right? Select from computer, right? We have created users.json, right? It should populate like this. If there is any mistake, it will not come like this, right? Users.csv. Then advanced setting. In advanced setting, just select the persistent response. We want to save the response, right? Otherwise it will not save the response. We have to save the response, and keep stop run if an error occur. If you want to stop it immediately, if you select it, it will stop immediately. Right, if you don't want to stop, unselect it. If you want to stop it, just enable. Keep the variable values, right? Keep variable values also. Run collection without using stored cookies. Currently we don't have. Save cookies after collection run. Currently we don't have any cookies. Right, now just run it. Click on run. Right, now if you see, all got right, there is a 36 right, all are passed. Right, there is something is failed. Right, see red color, some red color is coming. Your test name expected hurry but equal to automation. Right, we can see why it is failing. Right, which one is failing? Expected Venkat equal to automation. Okay, we have given in the post user coming to here in the script post. Right, here we have given name. Right, whatever name we are getting, same name we are validating. Right, I think it's not saved. Just click on the save. Right, and run it again. Alright, fine, it's working fine now. I think it's not saved. Just make sure to save it. Right, it is not automatically saving. Just right, in here we have changed. Right, just click on the save button, then run it. Right, now all are run. Here if you see environment QA 4 iterations. Right, we ran 4 times. Duration 9 seconds. All tests. So 36 test means we have written some validations. Right, those are all tests. Right, average response time. We can click on view summary. Right, we can also click on the view summary. Right, it is one time failed. Right, response time is less than 200 milliseconds. There is one response validation failed. And if you want to see all test runs, we can click on the all test runs. We can also see. Right, if you have a schedule runs, we can see here. Once if you schedule in the cloud, right, that is easy one only. You can just schedule it and verify in the schedule runs. We can see. Right, we can also execute the performance also. We can, right, if you click on the run performance test, right, you can select which one you want to, and then we can virtual users and test duration we can select and run it also. Right, performance test also we can do. Right, we can, if anyone interested, you can try it. Right, like this we can achieve the data driven testing. Right, then currently we have seen CSV file. Right, in the next class, right, we will see how to achieve data driven using JSON file. Right, how to achieve data driven using JSON file. Right, okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please right, subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Right, please share to your friends. Please like the video. Thanks for watching.